Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, today we're going to be testing out the K170 brushless model Black Hawk. Has a brushless main rotor motor and then a brushed cordless, a cordless motor in the back. Alright, without further ado, let's give it a shot and see what it can do. A little bit of breeze out here today, not too bad. Okay, we're going to use the auto takeoff. Oops, I gotta start the motors first. Then we hit the auto takeoff. Once the lights stop blinking, then you can take off. Just like so. It's in speed 1. There are 3 speeds. Wow, that's cool. Took off no problem. Try it out in speed 1 here real quick. Very cool. Having a little bit of an issue fighting the wind. I'm gonna switch it into speed 2. See what speed 2 is about. Ooh, that's better. Wow, the wind's really picking up now. You have sideward flight with these, left and right. You have forward, backward. And you can spin. Pretty cool to fly in reverse. Man, that's definitely a capable helicopter. No stunts that I know of with this one. I'm gonna go ahead and kick you into speed 3 now. Walk out here a little ways away from the trees. Try to get you some good close-ups. Okay, we're in speed 3. Fighting the wind just fine. Oh yeah, definitely can get going. It's fighting the wind on this direction, or in this direction rather. Very cool. That's the wind blowing it back at me. Show you what kind of wind we have here. I could adjust the trim, but I don't want to. Just keep it nice and level. When you start the gyro, then you'll be good to go. You have the wind, you just have to give it a little bit of forward motion. The lights will blink when it's time to come in for a landing. Gives you a little bit of a warning. It will auto land if you don't land it before it's ready, just so you know. Get it back to you as close as possible before that happens. Man, this thing is very cool. That's cruising. This is my first flight outdoors. It's a maiden, fresh out of the box. I did hover it a little bit inside, but it's so quick I didn't want to fly it much. Didn't want to crash it into the walls, you know what I mean? Gonna have some space. Super cool. Try to get a little bit closer here for us. That's neat looking. The wheels on this, actually little rubber working wheels, so you could use them as a landing gear like they do the real thing. Come in on the runway, roll forward a little bit. Very neat. Man, that wind is really fighting it, but it's going through it, no problem. Just have to be alert and ready. Look at that. Super cool. These are under $100, even after tax. I found this on the interweb. They're available all over right now. Use your own discretion where you buy it. I'm not affiliated with anybody that sells these, but I am happy I bought this. I am enjoying this. Very capable helicopter, and it looks super awesome. Hope you guys can see that okay. Man, that is quick. Can't do too much backward flight or anything today. The wind's fighting me quite a bit. I'll bring it back over here, getting it close. I can get ready for a landing. Helipad's back this way a little bit. I'm drifting in the wind a little, but it has enough power to fight it. Okay, I've got the lights blinking now. Let's see if we can get it on the helipad. Whoa, wind. I'll try it one more time. We were close, but not quite. The wind's fighting it. Hey, I did it. How about that? Well, there you have it, guys. The K170 with the brushless motor. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.